So in this video now we will discuss the next tool, which is Ellipse tool. If you have selected any other tool, just press L key on your keyboard and you can see that tool will activate it. The tool will activate. So now press and hold shift. That will create a circle with same width and height dimension. And if you create without press and hold shift, then you can create an oval shape, ellipse shape. So now we can apply some pattern, gradient or color. So that is also a very easy tool, and we use it a lot when we design something in Adobe Illustrator CC 2019. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching. And one more thing, like if you want to press and hold shift, just press and hold shift and click on the artboard. Then you can mention like the width and height which you want, and Illustrator will create a circle with the dimension which you applied. Thank you very much for watching.